Naaalala mo pa ba nung sumali si Sarah Geronimo sa Star for a Night? Nung Grand Finals night, she did a Celine Dion song, and then during her performance, in the middle of her performance, tinanggal niya yung kanyang cape at kanyang iwinasiwas. Iwinasiwas pa niya or just let it fell down, something like that. And then she continued her performance. It was very iconic. It inspired a lot of girls her age to try singing competitions and become a star. Naging tulay yun ni Sarah para magtuloy-tuloy siya sa superstardom, sa daigdig ng musika, hanggang sa pasukin na rin niya ang telebisyon at ang pelikula. That very moment always pops into my mind whenever I see amateur singing competitions on national television. And marami ng mga sumunod sa kanyang yapak. Actually, si Sarah Geronimo sumunod din lamang sa yapak ni Regine Velasquez, who started it all. Siya talaga yung nagbigay ng birit emote. And I'm also a singer. When Regine Velasquez stepped into the stage on national television back in 1983, I think, I was 2 years ahead. I was at the University of Santo Tomas then. I joined Bagong Kampiyon in 1981. I was in my first year in university. I auditioned. I was literally alone looking for a spot in the entertainment world. I didn't fail, actually. I placed first, and I challenged the champion. That was Danilo Abela, if I'm not mistaken. In that phase, I failed. I wasn't able to beat him. But I continued to perform. I have been performing since I was a kid.
Raise me up so I can stand mountains. You raise me up. I reach out my hand to you. I have faith in all you do. There's nothing to
I started singing with the band when I was 6. So, hindi ko na naipagpatuloy yung pag-awit, bagamat yan talagang aking unang trabaho sa abroad. I started in Thailand as an impersonator of Tom Jones. Akala ko ibibigay sa akin ni Mariah Carey. Pero ibibigay sa akin ni Tom Jones. So I was singing songs like, I'm a Delilah. So I would try to be as macho as a Tom Jones aspirant could be. And it was so being on national television, idolized by a lot of people, idolized by millions of people. You're part of ABS-CBN or GMA7, singing talents. Wow, that's amazing. Anybody wishes to be included in that category. And now I've seen this video. Aside from Angeline Quinto and Jonah, I've seen the other two women, the other two singers, before in a show of, I think, Vice Ganda. They were both good, but I just forgot their names. In fact, I have all the chances to research again their names here, but I think it's better to be totally clueless about them, about their names. I mean, only about their names. Their voices are familiar. They could reach the highest notes on earth, and it's very amazing. They're fresh, young, talented girls, and I'm always supporting newbies. You know, I want anybody to achieve their dreams. So join me in watching again this video. I'm sure a lot of you have already watched this, and please be with me in determining who's the best among these four. Let's go. Ganda ng boses. I think this is Morissette Amon. Naririnig ko yung boses, yung name na to.
Ang pag-ibig na alay ko sa'yo upang damdamin ko kusang saktan mo. Paano kaya ang puso ko naman kung piling mo na siya? Paano kaya matatanggang sa buhay ko'y wala ka na? Paano kaya sandali ka ba naaalala ka? Paano kaya kung ang pag-ibig mo'y wala na? Bakit kailan ang puso ay nasaktan bago maintindihan ang siyang nararamdaman? At kahit iwas ay naruksan ng damig, yakap ng mga halik ay nadarama pa rin dahil hangin ang siyang lahat. Lumawalik ka ng minsan, hindi ko matanggap, kulang ang sandali. Pag ikaw wala, sadyang ka pang wala. Wala
I
rin
forgot the name of this
ako.
girl, but during their casting stint at Twice in the Show,
Bakit kailan
I liked her more
puso
than
ay masaktan
Morissette.
bago maintindihan ang siyang nararamdaman?
husky
At
voice.
kahit iwas ay naroon sa damdamin, yakap ang mga halik ay nadarama pa rin. Tumingin ka man sa iba, walang ibo na lang itong puso ko. Walang sumbat na maririnig, patak ng luha ko ang iniwang saksi. Bakit nga ba mahal kita kahit di pinapansin?
Look at the transformation of Angeline. She looks like a diva now. Like a stage diva.
Kahit na may mahal ka mang iba, pagpaliw na baliw ako sa'yo. Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit nga ba mahal kita? Bakit nga ba mahal kita kahit di pinapansin?
And this Jonalyn Vera as well.
Ako mahal, ito
Ang gaganda nila ngayon.
naman sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita?
I watched Jonalyn when she competed in GMA7's
Pagpaliw na
Star for a Night. I don't know if it's still Star for a Night.
balikan ako magtitiis.
I was not rooting for her. I was rooting for another girl, I think.
Mahal kita. Heto ka na naman, kumakatok sa pintuan, muling naghahanap ng makakausap. At heto naman ako, nakikinig sa mga kwento mo, paulit-ulit lang. Nagtitiis kahit nasasaktan. Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling mag-iisa. Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling luluha pa. Di ka na mangangailangan pa humanap ng Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling mag-iisa. Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling luluhan pa. Di ka na mangangailangan pa humarap ng iba. Narito ang puso ko, naghihintay lamang sa'yo. Kung ako na lang sana.
Alright. So, napanood natin ng kanilang performances and ayoko namang basta mag-react lang ng mag-react. And it's my trademark. I always give my brave thoughts. So, meron ako mga choices. The best in gown. Ginawang pageant. Pwedeng i-mix. Yapos muna kasi it's very cold. Hello, say hello to our viewers. This is Robertiti. Hello, Robertiti. It's big, it's cuddly. Okay, I want to say that the best song was given to Angeline, but her vocal performance was not the best. The most special part was given to Jonah. Surprise of all surprises. I was expecting it would be Angeline because she's a homegrown talent and she's a big star. She has had a movie and she's been, I think it's seniority wise. That's why they picked Jonah to be the last performer. You know, save the best for last. So I think bonggang-bongga yung position na yun at na nakuha yun ni Jonah. Anyway, she deserves it. She's been in this business for, I think, 10 years, maybe more. I liked her voice when she performed in the morning show of ABS-CBN. I forgot the name. I remember the name of its rival sa GMA7, yung unang hirit. Pero yung show mismong tinutumbo ko, I forgot. Magandang umaga ba or something? She did a wonderful performance there. Husky voice, full, nakakilabot talaga yung kanyang ginawang boses doon, and yet it was not, and yet it's morning. Ang hirap kumanta sa morning. Siyempre, pag-usapan din natin ng star factor. Yung glamorosong Arriba, star na star ang dating. Of course, it's part and parcel of being a performer, of being a star. I think pinakamaganda yung Arrive ni Angeline. Maganda yung kanyang makeup. At inamin naman niya na nagdance siya sa karayon ng doktor. And it was a nice result. She's got the best hair. Gusto ko yung ganong hair na laglag lang, na pakulot-kulot. The most... kung beauty contest na panalo sa akin yung number 1. Si Morissette. Kaya lang, ang emote niya is too stiff, too serious. Kung performance paglalabanan sa particular na video na to, it's a toss between Clarice and Jonah. Si Clarice ay pagkakapos, yung may konting pahinga. She would make it a point to smile. And nakakagaan yun ng feeling ng mga manonood. At sa kanya rin mismo, it's a sort of a relief in between difficulties in breathing na dala ng paghawig. Pinaka-star ang Arriba nung number 1. She's tall and she looks like Sarah Geronimo in fairness. Lalo na paghawak niya yung microphone, natatapan yung ibang bahagi ng kanyang mukha at mata lang nakikita. It's very Sarah. I think si Sarah nagparitoke rin, you just try to go back to her previous videos, lalo na yung sa Star for a Night, na in-interview siya at nagsalita siyang umiiyak dahil a few people believed that she wouldn't make it because she didn't have that star material peg na magtatagumpay sa show business, and they were wrong. She proved them wrong. I love Sarah. I followed her career. I was very happy when she was taken by ABS-CBN. And nag-bloom yung kanyang career ng bonggang-bongga. Ngayon kung iraranking natin yung apat sa kanilang performance, sa kabuang performance sa video na ito, sa video ito lang, the best vocal performance was rendered by... Wait, I'm gonna research now the name of that girl. Jonah, Morissette Amon, Clarice, maybe this Clarice Guzman. Okay, let's see this. Clarice Guzman. Okay, this is it. Clarice. All right. So Clarice de Guzman. And I would pick her as the best voice for this particular video. Don't get me wrong. Angeline was also an underdog. And I love underdogs. But hindi talaga masyadong umangat ang kanyang boses sa naturang video. Magaling siyang kumanta. Kung pipili ako ng radio-friendly voice sa kanilang apat mula sa video na to, she would come out as victorious dahil siya talaga yung may boses na ang sarap pakinggan sa radio. Pero kung ako'y judge at ito isang engranding American Idolish type of competition, of singing competition, hindi ko na siya dadalhin pa sa second round. Ilalaglag ko na siya agad. But as I have told you earlier, marami siyang magagaling na performances. And mahusay siyang actress. But we're talking about singing. So sa video ito lang, although hindi ito yung kanyang worst performance, pinaka-worst performance niya yung kumanta siya ng Listen, try to research about it. Nahirapan talaga siya. It's very understandable kasi talaga namang aminado siya na mahina siya sa Ingles. And nahirapan talaga siya. It's a pity because yun ang nagiging hindrance para hindi siya umangat ng gusto. I like the girl because she really strives hard to maintain her career in showbiz. At sana naman ay dumire-diretso. Jonah was a big disappointment. Her voice was a little bit pale. Hindi masyadong bigatin ang dating. Although, nagmukhang backup niya yung tatlo sa bandang ending kasi iisa yung tono ng tatlo, siya yung binigyan ng voice calisthenics ek portion. So talagang nag-excel yung kanyang boses sa bandang ending. But all throughout her performance, nothing wonderful in particular. So pagtuunan natin ng pansin yung dalawa, itong si Clarice at si Morissette, I would go for